Since the days of the Old West, we have been cooking over cast iron. But
The Old
what has been the big
West.
rub with cast iron? You've had to literally
Look at
rub
how
it
he's sitting there.
with some kind of animal fat and then season it. What if it came to us already pre-seasoned with
That's
three
important.
coats of
That's
pre-seasoning?
important
you see
because,
cast
or
iron
else it's
porous.
really
It's
hard
going
to
draw
like.
in
You
all
should
of
be
that
able to
great
flip an
seasoning.
egg, is what I heard.
And what if it were lighter?
That's hard.
This is Lodge's Blacklock. And what we're talking
Wow,
about is
that's
their
a
top
cool
of the
little
line.
grill
And we're
pan.
super excited to be able to bring you their grill pan with their care kit. Now, in the care kit, you're going to get a can of more seasoning spray.
Ooh.
There's also a brush and a cleaning tool.
Ooh, wait,
All this
I
comes
want to see
together,
the
but
brush.
this is a grill pan with little grill striations inside.
That is-
so you're
that
going to be
makes,
able
like,
to
the
cook
bread look
right on your
cute,
stove
everything.
top, transfer this into the oven, put it on your induction cooktop. Because remember, this is all cast
Oh,
iron.
good, it's
it just
induction
happens to
cooktop,
be
because you know what?
lighter
That's
weight.
hard.
You know, every brand has a good, better, best. Blackstone is going to, or Blacklock, I should say, is best.
That's it.
Let's welcome in Melissa Fleming Epps.
Oh my
who
God,
is
awkward
and
Blacklock
used to
is
cooking for a big
best
crowd.
Blackstone
She's got
is
5 kids and
I do.
understands just
like
how
a
busy it can be.
countertop
This
grill.
is extraordinary. This is beautiful cast iron cooking from a
Yikes.
name that should know about it.
The name we know and love and trust. You know, Lodge, we've been around for over 150 years. That's when Joseph Lodge first started. And this foundry is in
150.
South Pittsburgh,
See, I like how the
Tennessee.
grilled
and that's
cheeses
where it
over
is
there
today.
have
5
lines on
generations
them.
later, we
I
are
think
a
that's
family
cool.
company.
And also, like,
so we're all
grilled
rooted
chicken
in
shouldn't have
tradition
lines on
and
it,
this
or else it
incredible
just,
cast
like,
iron
looks
experience.
weird.
So then fast forward to today,
Like,
we've
there should be
created
some
what
sort
we
of
call Blacklock. And this is
very
the best
dark
of the
darkness.
best.
Oh,
and
see,
what you're seeing
these
is what
scraper
makes
tools,
Blacklock so special to
I didn't
That's
know
what I was
Lodge
looking
made
for
these.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
we
I
used to
kind of
have,
stole it
we
from
used
him
to
one
have
step
one
ahead.
from
You can
Pampered
see how
Chef.
easy it is to clean. Now, why is it so easy to clean?
why
We've
is it
included
so
all these
easy to
little
clean?
special
Don't ask
tools with this
questions,
today.
lady.
But it's
If
also
it's easy, it's
thanks in
easy.
fact
We don't care
that it
why.
is triple seasoned. So when you get
But
this
listen,
home,
if you're gonna tell us it's
typically
'cause
it
it's
is
triple
singly
seasoned, I
seasoned.
guess
So
we'll
we
keep
will put
listening.
a little bit. It'll be baked into it, so it will give you that seasoning experience. But this
Wow.
is triple seasoned, so it's going to
It
be as
also
if you've had it
seems
for
as though
years
she's
and
holding the
generations. It's
pan.
ready to cook right out of the gate. It's a family
Is she
heirloom
having
ready for you
a-
to create with. So
a
Blacklock is
gripper?
the best
So
of
does
the
the
best.
handle not get
You'll
hot?
also find, David,
'Cause on
that
my-
it's lighter
you know,
than your
on my
typical
cast
cast
iron,
iron, which we
the
love so
handle
much.
gets hot.
So it's very versatile. You're able to do it on any kind of a stovetop,
Oh,
whether
those are
it be
cute.
an induction stove, whether it be an open
Those are
flame. You can
cute
do it
little
in an oven. You
toasties.
can also use it
And he
on an
placed 'em
open
kinda
fire,
cute,
which
too.
we love so much. You plated that French toast beautifully because it's not just about gorgeous burgers or steaks, but it's also about French
Ooh,
toast
you know
as
what,
well.
though? She needs
Crispy,
some cottage
delicious
cheese.
French
yes.
toast. And maybe you made it with challah bread. and so all
Brioche
that works out
French
together
toast
really
is
nicely.
so
And
good.
when it
And
comes
I don't
time
like
to
it
clean
eggy.
this,
So
yes,
simple.
you can use
I
a
don't
little
like
soap
eggs.
Yes.
as long as you rinse it
I really
cleanly,
don't
right?
That's right, David, and that's such a great thing. A lot of times when people they think about cast iron, they're scared. They think, oh, well, it's difficult
know
to
I'm
clean
drinking
because you
like-
can't wash it. Yes, you do wash it. You can use a little bit of dishwashing soap. Make sure that it's mild. Give it a little
Oh,
wipe,
that looks
and then
good.
the
Oh, I
key
wonder
is
if you could cook
we've
your
included
Stelli's
everything you need today. That seasoning
meats on
spray. So
here.
you're going to do 1 coat of seasoning spray,
they have
and that's going to
beefs like
lock
this?
in all of that perfectness to make sure that it's ready for use the next time.
Lodge
And the difference with cast
Blacklock.
iron, David, as you know, it gets better each time you use it and
I don't
each
like
time
that
you're
name,
cooking with it.
Blacklock.
Look at
I
this
can
beautiful
remember
grill
walking
marks.
into my grandma's house, my dad's
reminds
mother's
me of
house, and
blah,
she would
blah,
have
blah, blah,
empty
blah.
cast iron skillets in the oven.
Blacklock.
200 degrees.
Oh, my word.
And she used real lard to season her cast
Oh my
I still
word.
remember the
Real
smell,
lard,
right?
my goodness.
And
yum.
we called her Mimi, and I said,
Mimi.
Mimi, why are you cooking nothing in the stove? She said, darling, I'm trying to make the pan slippery so the food will be extra good.
I'm trying to
And
get
that was
the
fine with me.
food, the pan
so,
slippery.
so I was like, okay, I
Oh,
didn't understand what she was doing, but as long as she explained it that way, that was fine.
That was it.
And
Right,
then
it's
as I
like,
got
who
a little
cares
older, I began
what-
to understand
what
that
the lard's going
cast
on.
iron is
If Grandma's
porous.
cooking
it
it, it's
needs
gonna
to
be
draw
pretty
in
tasty.
those fats and oils.
That's right.
So that it can help cook things more completely and give you great grill marks and
That's
wonderful
right.
even
Okay,
cooking.
so-
Cast iron gives you even,
Yeah, she keeps
even
just
heat
touching the
distribution.
handle. It
That's one of the
does.
reasons it's been
So
so
is the
popular since
handle
the days
not
of the Old
hot?
West, right? When folks were cooking cast iron over
Because she
open
still was
flames.
That's
touching
right,
it for a
David.
while.
That's what
you
makes
do with
this
this
so
as
great.
well.
So
I
if
don't
you're
know, my
doing
handle gets
turkey
really hot,
burgers, if
and
you're
mine's
going to
a
be
Lodge.
doing anything,
Like, I have a
last
little-
night I did a steak on top of the stove and finished
I
it
have a
in the oven.
little
Oh,
like
and you can
handle
do that
thing
with
that
this as well.
And it would have been way
That's
better
right,
than this
it's
because
really
this is a
right.
grill grill pan, right? And this could go into the oven to any temperature, right?
It's right, David. And it's so funny you mentioned that about steak.
Yes,
I
David.
have 15-year-old boys at home. They crave protein, so we do lots of steaks at home every single day. My husband always makes them the same exact
Steaks
way.
every
He seasons
single
them the same
day?
exact way. He marinates them the same exact
Ooh,
way.
QVC
but the
pays
difference
well.
last night was he went ahead and he used them. He made them on this beautiful grill pan. The difference was remarkable. My boys were so excited, David, hooting and hollering. Dad, what did you do different? And he
Hooting
said,
and
boys,
hollering.
I did nothing different, but the way that I cooked it was different. I cooked it on this cast iron skillet. It had that beautiful
How
caramelized
were
crust.
he cooking it
really
before on
rocked
the
in that flavor. It
grill?
was moist and juicy and tender and delicious on the inside.
But yeah, I
it was
mean,
done just
obviously,
perfect.
grill your
thanks to
steak
this
on the
pan.
cast
Now,
iron.
the pan
Ooh,
measures
with some of that Rastelli's butter on top.
19.19 inches by 12, almost 13 inches.
Okay.
And it's about almost 2 inches
And it's
deep.
only $100.
Just
It
little
is a
over 5
lighter
pounds.
weight pan.
Yeah, it looks
called
lighter weight because
Blacklock.
also like
It's from
my
Lodge, a
wrist
name
will
we have
hurt.
known,
Like,
loved,
I
and
can't
trusted for
pick
how
up
many
the
years?
pan
For
without
over
using two
150
hands,
years,
'cause
David.
For over 150.
It's so
Yeah.
hard on my
Comes
wrist.
triple seasoned, but when it comes time to season it some
David.
more, we provide you with some seasoning spray.
Do you just so happen to be
and
wearing
then
a
an
Cartier
instructional
bracelet?
manual on how best to season it, and a brush and a
David.
cleaning tool. All this
Ooh, I
comes
like the
together for
cleaning
you
tool.
at a really remarkable price. You,
I like that little-
you would be
that
amazed
little
the number of
brush.
people that go to yard sales looking for cast
Is
iron
David wearing
in
a
any
Cartier
condition.
bracelet?
And they hope that it's all rusted out, right?
Because that's when it's best,
Because
right?
they're going to not only find a great piece of cookware, but they're also going to probably get it at a rock bottom price.
All right.
And they're going to come home and they're going to restore it.
Yeah, you
And then
can
they're going to
restore
start
it.
cooking in it.
That's right.
I mean, there are people that travel
She's
this
like,
country
"All right,
that
let me
travel
talk
to
about
estate
this
sales
pan."
and yard sales and
And
garage
he's
sales
like,
in
"I'm
search
talking about
of
this pan."
great cast iron.
He loves this story.
Don't spend your Saturdays searching yard sales in folks' backyard and side
Yeah,
yards
don't
when you
be
can
looking
just
in
pick
someone
up
else's
something like this.
backyard when you can
We
have
did
your
a
own cast
grill
iron.
pan pizza.
Right.
Oh my
Hello,
God, that is such a good
Incredible.
idea. I
This
never
is
thought.
amazing.
Call me crazy,
This
but I
is
never
evenly
thought of a
cooked
cast iron
and
pizza.
evenly browned
Why didn't
and
I ever
beautifully
think of
done
that?
and will not stick.
And that's what I love so much
What a
about this, David.
great
It's
idea.
lightweight for those of us with dexterity issues and having issues holding heavy things, but
I
it's
have
also so
dexterity
versatile.
issues and
And then that
issues
fact
holding
that it
heavy
truly
things,
is.
so
It's like
this
an
is perfect
heirloom
for me.
quality that you get it out of the box and you're ready
know
to
what?
cook
I'm
with
writing
it.
this
Like
one
you've
down
used
as
it
well.
for years, but it's going to last for
Okay.
your family for years.
And
Something
so
said how
many of
now.
you are looking at this and saying, yeah, I need this in my life.
3,
This is going to
4.
make a perfect addition.
Lodge.
Don't miss out on this. Melissa Fleming, it's always good to see you, my friend.
Great to see you.
I like
Nice
to
to
write
have
down
you
the
back.
things that I
Christina's
want
going to
on my
update us
little
on
list.
our truffles as I sneak a peek at
And
what's on
then-
top of this pizza.
I
the
look online and see if they're still
Lindor,
available.
Truffle bag. We started
If I
with
really want it,
8,500.
I'll
We
just
have
buy
only
it,
800
like
left.
right then and there. I won't even
And
bother.
this
But
will
it's like,
never be
Easter
available
milk. Oh, I should
anymore
talk to the
on
guy
air
and see
or
if
on
he thinks
QVC.com.
that's a good idea. He's
After
little weight.
today, this is our last
Lodge,
chance
Blacklock,
to pick
same.
up
We share a
this great
kitchen. So, like, I should be like,
75-piece
hey,
ice cream
what a good deal. What do you think?
flavored. You've got the Neapolitan flavor, the dulce